We are at the Belghoria Expressway now, and we are heading towards Salt Lake Sector 5. We have plans of going to the 10 Downing Street today, and so once we reach, we'll be letting you know. So presently we are at the Belghoria Expressway heading towards the airport, and this restaurant is situated in Sector 5 Salt Lake. So we'll be going to Salt Lake, and once we reach Salt Lake, we'll let you know. So let's go and let's check out how the pub lunch of this 10 Downing Street is. We are at Salt Lake Sector 5 today, and we have decided to go to 10 Downing Street, which is just over here. So this is a PS Season Corporate Tech Park in Sector 5, and it's just beside this Kareem's restaurant. So here we are. We have come here to 10 Downing Street today, and we are here to have the pub lunch. So the pub lunch is costing 349 rupees. I'll just show you the offers for 10 Downing Street over here. They have displayed the banner, and these are the offers of 10 Downing Street. So I have chosen the pub lunch, and as you can see, the non-veg is costing 349 and the veg is 319 plus taxes. So let's enter 10 Downing Street. So this is basically the entrance of 10 Downing Street, and since it's Tuesday today, so it's not quite crowded, and we are here to have the pub lunch. So let's go and check out how it is. Now let's enter 10 Downing Street, and this is it. This is 10 Downing Street, friends, and this in between is the bar counter. Now let's go to our seat. So this is the seat that I've chosen, and let's take a tour of the pub. So as you can see, this side is also huge, and it has the capacity to accommodate a huge number of people, as I see, with pretty good music. And in the evening, as I can see, there is drums up there, so it means that there is a live band as well. A pretty good ambience, I must say, with a decent crowd. And now let's have a taste of the food to check how the food is. This is our table, and here is my beer and screwdriver, and this is my beautiful wife. And we are waiting for the food, and let's now check how the food is. I've chosen a complimentary beer, so it's basically a 330 ml beer, and along with that my wife has chosen this screwdriver, which is a vodka based cocktail, and it's basically vodka with orange juice. So this is it. So the complimentary drink is already over here, and we are awaiting the food. Till then, let me just show you how the ambience is. So this is basically the bar counter in between, and it's a huge pub with a lot of people. It can accommodate a lot of people, as I see, and even the crowd over here is good. So this is 10 Downing Street in Salt Lake Sector 5. So once the lunch is served, I'll just show you the quantity, as in how much they're giving in 349 rupees, and how the food tastes. That I forgot to mention over here is that like today is Tuesday, and on Tuesdays over here it's like a happy hour from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Wherein if you are buying the first drink, the second drink that you get is only for rupees 10. So that's a quite good deal for whiskey lovers. can check over here. The sanitization process for this restaurant is pretty good. We were given the sanitizers once we entered, and in the table also they have provided one bottle of sanitizer. And the best part about this presentation of the spoon, you can see, so they have wrapped it in a plastic along with a tissue paper, so that it's the hygiene is maintained. This is something that I really liked about the restaurant. And nevertheless, the food is also amazing. And once the lunch is served, I'll be showing you how it is served, and along with that I'll be tasting the food and letting you people know how it actually tastes. So till then, let me just enjoy my sesame chicken. Here it is the sesame fried chicken. It's not included in the pub lunch, and I had ordered it as a snacks, as a starter you can say. And this is the presentation. This is basically chicken sauteed in some sauce, and I was told that it's a bit spicy, so let's just taste it how it is. So this is the sesame fried chicken, and now I'm gonna taste it. So it looks good. Let me just break it over here. It's juicy inside, and I dip it in the sauce, and let's just taste it. It's hot, but it's yummy, amazing. One more good thing about this pub is that it has a smoking zone, so I'll enter the smoking zone. Usually what happens is, like in maximum pubs, you really don't get a smoking zone, and that is the reason why all of a sudden, if you are feeling like having a smoke, so you'll have to again go out of the pub and then smoke. But over here, like, this is the smoking room of 10 Downing Street. Pretty good. Cigarette smoking is injurious to health, so like I would request everyone not to smoke. And I am only here to show you people the smoking room. But if you are asking me about smoking and my opinion, then I would suggest that smoking is not a good habit, and you really should not smoke cigarettes. So this is the smoking room. Nice, I like it. Finally, the lunch is here. This is the Shanghai fried rice, and along with this is the chicken sauteed in mushroom and baby corn. And along with that, I had ordered my portion as a jeera rice. This is the jeera rice, and along with that, this is the Punjabi chicken. So this is it, and along with that, we are yet to get a scoop of ice cream at the end. So now I'll be tasting the food, both of them, the Chinese as well as the North Indian, and I'll be letting you people know how the food tastes. Can't wait to have it, because it's like the aroma is really nice and it's mouth-watering flavor. So let's have it and let's let you people know how it is. The smell, my friends, is yummy, and I'm a big fan of jeera rice, so I'll just taste it. And this over here is the Punjabi chicken. So the gravy is very thick, as you can see, and I'll just take some gravy, and I'll also taste this as well. So now let me just taste over here, so how it looks. So I take some gravy and I take some rice, and amazing, very nice. Jeera rice and Punjabi chicken tasted nice. This is the chicken piece, decent size. And now my wife is going to taste the Chinese dish, and let's see how it is. So here is the Shanghai rice, and here is the sauteed chicken with the mushroom and baby corn. So this is it, and let's see how it is. Nice. Okay, so like as I see over here, the pub lunch is really nice. The food over here is quite tasty, and with a decent ambience and a decent crowd, as I have already shown you. So like we have always tried the barbecues and the costly buffets in town, but this my friends is a very cheap buffet because it's only 349 rupees, and along with that you get a complimentary beer as well with a scoop of ice cream, which is a add-on I believe, because any which way if you are spending 200 in a pub you won't be getting a pint beer, but over here in 350 you get a pint beer, and along with that you get food as well, so which I believe is a really good deal. So you can visit the place because it's nice, and yes, it's a must try in Kolkata. If you're in Salt Lake, then you can try this place out. Finally, I'm done with our pub lunch, and we are waiting for our ice cream. So our ice cream is here, and it's a scoop of vanilla ice cream with chocolate sauce in it. I'll just show you. This is the ice cream, and with the ice cream we're gonna end our lunch. So let me just tell you one thing, people. This is not a buffet lunch, actually it's a pub lunch, so you don't get unlimited food over here. However, the quantity that they're serving is really nice and it's filling as well. So from amongst Indian, continental and Chinese, you get to choose one main course along with a portion of rice or noodles, and along with that you get a complimentary beer or a cocktail or a mocktail, and along with that at the end, so it's a dessert with ice cream. And if in case you don't want to opt for any of the complimentary drinks, so in that case you get a free manchow soup. So this is all the deal is all about, and so I think in 349 plus taxes it's a pretty decent deal. And like one thing that I've noticed over here after eating is that, like we have in barbecue, that after eating, like we always overeat when we are in any barbecue or absolute barbecues. But since it's not a buffet lunch, and the portion that they are giving is sufficient for one person, so you don't tend to waste your food, and the amount of food that you are having is filling. So I really like the place. So if in case you're visiting, seeing this video of mine, so please do comment how did you like the place, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please share this video, show some love, and please subscribe. Thank you, and like stay tuned, we'll be updating more videos soon. Thank you and have a nice day.